Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty. Hope you're all doing fantastic during this holiday time. Today I am here with a beautiful skincare I am in absolutely love with, and I'm going to share with you something really special. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a skincare product that can be for yourself and also a great gift item because it comes in a beautiful packaging. Yes, I'm talking about Depology Brand, which I have talked about in my previous video. Ever since I use this brand, products from this brand, I've fallen in love, and I was actually thinking to try more of their products because they have so much good reviews, and the serums that I have used already are just mind-blowing. They are working really good on my skin, so I thought I should try more of their products. So now I'm going to introduce you to a beautiful box that could be a really nice gift box during this holiday time, and that is Beauty Junkie Monkey Essentials by Natasha B. So yes, this is a package of skincare products, total beauty routine, skincare routine for yourself or for your loved one. So it's a package that comes with everything that you need for your skincare, so you don't have to just worry about anything else. This is everything that you have in this box. I think this beauty box is just perfect for this time of the year when you want to gift your mom or your sisters or your best friends the best thing, and gifting skincare is just amazing. And when they comes in a packaging like this, it looks so luxurious, and I would totally gift someone. And this is like a really good package, and also for yourself. I got it for myself and I'm in love. So this is this is one of the cutest thing that I got. So in any skincare you need this to protect your hair. Every time I do any type of skincare, my hair gets oily, so while you use this thing, it just protects your hair, so you don't have to worry about that. And it also looks very cute. I love this gray color. And then I have here the moisturizers, which I really wanted to try. I was thinking to buy all of them, and now in this package I have all of them all together. So this is the Peptide Intense Cream. And this year actually I started using Peptide for my skincare, and I have noticed really a good change. So I wanted to try the Peptide Intense Cream from Depology just because I tried their serums and I'm in love with their serums. They're so good, especially for fine line and wrinkles. They work so good. I was seeing some wrinkles around my eye area, and after using the serum I noticed the visible change. So I think their cream is going to be fantastic, and I just got this. So I have been using them for few days now, like very few days, so I cannot tell you about the long-term results, but I totally feel that it is going to work great just because look at the quality, and whenever I use it I feel the comfort in my skin, I feel the moisture, I feel the hydration, which is so good. And peptides are actually really good, and Depology is doing so well with their skincare line and also their eye cream. My special concern is the eye area, and when you are in your age between 30 to 40, the most care you need to take is your smile line and your eye area, because that is the place where you get to start getting wrinkles. So those are the area that you need to think about first, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm so happy I have the total package now. And this peptide eye cream is also just so amazing, so easy, glides on under my in my under eye area so easily. So I just don't have to pull my eye area, it just glides smoothly, and I feel the hydration. That's the best part. This is so hydrating, but it is not oily at all, not sticky by any means, so it's so comfortable. And let's talk about the peptide serum. This is the first thing actually you start your skincare routine with, and then you apply the moisturizers. But I'm talking about it, this is the new package I'm opening for you. I already have one in my collection which I'm still using. So yeah, so this is the new one. I already have one in my collection which I'm already using. So this is the Peptide Peptide Complex 10%. This is the Wrinkle Defense Serum, and you have seen me previously. I was using two serums together, so this is one of those that I already have, and this is so good. Like, I was using this under my daily, the other branded creams, but I was noticing the visible change. So ever since I saw that, I really wanted to try all the moisturizers. And also when I went to the YouTube videos that other people using them, just to see how everyone is reacting, and I saw the so much positive reviews that I was so interested to try them. And I'm so happy that I wasn't wrong. Like, these are something you really should try out. So the main thing these products do is they hydrate your skin and they plump your skin. In that way, they actually reduce the fine line and wrinkle because your skin is hydrated. And also they make you feel comfortable, especially in Canadian winter. Your skin needs extra care all the time, and this is something that is going to take care of your skin that is needed. So I just want to tell you the price and everything. So separately, this peptide serum is it's a 10% peptide complex, $49 for 30 ml. And then this peptide cream, this is $62 for 50 ml. And then you have the eye cream, which is $52 for 15 ml. But when you have everything in a package, the whole package is actually $150. So I think it is actually good to have them in a package because you actually need all of them. So it's a good deal, and also you're getting the headband, which is a need. So now let's use them. So first I am going to try the headband here. So I have my headband on, and I'm going to apply the serum first. So I have been already using this serum. I do just usually do like that. So usually I apply my serum just like that, tapping. You don't have to rub or pull. You just lightly apply your serum always. So after that we will be using the eye cream. So I just take, this is the consistency. It looks actually really good how the eye cream should be, and I'm taking a little bit here. And just always use the ring finger, which is the lightest. So very lightly and gently, and it feels like so good. Instantly you feel the soothing comfort in your under eye area, which I absolutely love. Not every eye cream is so comfortable. I have used many brands. There are a couple of other eye creams that are in my favorite list, but this is one of those that are in my favorite list. Like, this is so comfortable, and I would totally recommend that because I feel the comfort, and I feel like it is going to really work. I have been just using them for a few days now. After a month I can tell you better, but so far my thoughts are really positive because I feel the comfort. That's what I need. And then I will go with the moisturizer. Again, the consistency is so creamy but so light, like creamy but light. It gives you the moisture, but then nothing sticky or greasy. So what I actually do at nighttime, I do my face massage. So what I do actually, I do like massage with this cream, and also gives me the effect of the massage and also the moisture. So I have started doing some I have started recently doing some massage techniques, and I think those techniques are really helping me to have the inner glow and also lifting my face and giving my face a more healthy look. So the massage and the cream together is just best. So for facial massage, you can go to the YouTube and check different facial massages. I can share with you some of my favorite massages next time on my next video, but so far I just recommend you to check them and pick the one that you think goes with your lifestyle and you enjoy. And that is my nighttime routine. I do the massage and with this creams, and it gives me so much, you know, comfort. I sleep a lot better. I will highly recommend you to check Depology website. They have a lot more items. There are a few more items in my wish list that I'm going to grab really soon. And for holiday season, you can totally check this gift box or this package, which I highly recommend as well. So this video ends here today. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok. I will see you next time on my next video. Bye.